going to talk about how to convert meters to kilometers. So if you want to convert maybe this 10 from meters to kilometers, you can just type in equal convert, then select your number, the number that you want to convert, comma, from which unit. Now it's from meter, comma, to which unit, kilometer, quotation mark, close bracket, enter. So if you want to autofill this, just go to bottom right corner, click and drag it down. So that's what I had for you guys in this video. Please consider subscribing, liking and commenting so that others can discover my channel. Thanks for watching.